Okay, so now let's take a look at some other examples of web browsing, maybe something that can't be answered with a single Google search. So I'm going to try something involving the stock market. I'll say, what 3 stocks gained the most value today? And let's see what it does. You'll see that it's going to make an initial sort of search, top gaining stocks, May 24, 2023. It's going to click on a link. And then we wait while it loads the content and reads the content. Okay, so it finished there. Interesting. This is the one I was looking for. NVIDIA today had a huge jump in its price. AMD, again, I can verify if this is accurate. I don't know right now, but I will verify and double check before I actually share this with you. Same thing with this answer here. Now that was actually a pretty easy one. It looks like it found a single web page that just said top gaining stocks. So let's try something a little more interesting or a little more challenging. What about something like summarizing 3 news stories? So provide me or generate me summaries of today's top 3 news stories. And in the real world, I would be way more specific. Are these U.S. news, world news, more output constraints? So maybe I'll say short summaries. Okay, so now it's going to do a search for something, top news stories, and it may just find all of them at once. Let's see if it does. It clicked on one link. It's reading the content. Okay, it got all 3 at the same time. Ron DeSantis enters the presidential race. Debt ceiling negotiations not going well, and anniversary of a mass shooting. Not the most pleasant news.